Hi guys, this is our Kinky straight or cut straight, and this is number 2, 12 inches, and you can tell the color difference. This is our 1B natural color. This is 14 inches, and this one is number 1, 16 inches. Yeah. Thank you. Hello guys, what we are showing you guys are the Kinky straight, or you can call it cut straight, and it's 14 inches 100 grams, and the one we are showing you, and you can tell how full it is and how silky and it is, and especially under the sun. Thank you so much. Hello guys, what we are showing you guys are the 12 inches 70 grams number 2 Kinky straight or cut straight, and you can see how shiny it is under the sun, and how silky it is, and thank you so much. Hello guys, and what we are showing you guys are the 16 inches 100 gram Kinky straight or cut straight, and you can see the color under the sun. If you want, you can compare with your own here under the sun to the color of ours, and thank you so much.